Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. Just wanted to go over our morning session, and we had just an absolutely stellar trading session. First, let's go over gold. Now, on gold, what we had was the move up, the retracement, and we had a move up of 13 ticks. Now, this is what's done in the Right Line live trading room that's not done in any other trading room in the world. And that is if we don't get a 1-tick pullback into the trade is triggered 1 tick above the close of the candle. It's executed on a pullback. This candle did not pull back, and we were unable to book this as a winner. So this is the 5th trade this month that we could not book as a winner in the room because it didn't meet our trade configuration parameters, which are solely created to get everyone in the room into every trade. But what I wanted to point out on it was how when you get the sideways consolidative pattern, and at the same time our modified 15 continues to rise, and then the candle bangs right into support to the upside, how well they work. And we just watched for it to happen again. This time we got a 2-tick pullback, one more than required, and we were in the trade. Got the sideways motion right into the modified 15, and it lifted off with background bias, order flow, and momentum. It went 22 ticks. Now it happened again right here. Now the reason I wanted to point this out, we didn't take this because we already had 2 really nice winners and over $500 in net equity on 2 trades. And anytime you take a trade, there's risk. We wouldn't want to take any additional associated risk. What's really key here is that this engulfing candle engulfs 2 candles. And when one engulfer engulfs the previous 2, that shows tremendous, in this case, bullish power. These bulls overran all the sellers in these 2 candles, and this is a tremendous long trade on gold. It went 28, we got 22, and we already had our first winner on the ES. We had a huge trade on the ES. You see right here, same pattern again, slightly overbought, sideways motion right into the modified 15. 15 continues to rise, background bias. In this particular case, we got order flow and momentum right on the next candle. Up we go. This would have gotten everybody in on a 1-tick pullback. 17 ticks. And this was not an easy market to trade. There were a lot of bad signals here. Now, there was just nothing on natural gas. Nothing. This is a move early in the morning, very few candles, a lot of volume, but really no movement. There's nothing to trade here. See that yellow 15 defines chop? It was really easy to stay out of the market. And there was just no trade, no break to the upside or break to the downside that we would chase. The Russell also, horrible. Terrible volume. Now, this was a potential trade right here, but we were in an ES trade. Right here. Not a bad move. Move up. Tracement into support. Lift off on order flow and momentum. It would have been a nice trade, but we were in another one. After that, absolutely nothing. It's a quick review because there just wasn't a lot to show today, and I want you to see how powerful that consolidative pattern is. There's the sideways motion right into support, Modified 15 never ceases to push to the upside. You have bias, order flow, and momentum as the blue outline. And this trade went for 18 ticks on the ES. Our first target's 3, second target's 4, our third target's 11 ticks. We got a really, really nice move out of the ES. So today, on a day where you could have taken a lot of false signals, we just blew the market away. And we really didn't take more than 2 ticks of heat on any given trade. And here was how we did for the day. We had 3 trades and 3 winners. On the ES, we had plus 18 ticks. We did 2 contracts off at 3, 1 at 4, and 1 at 11. On gold, we had 22 ticks, 1 off at 6, 1 off 11, 1 off at 15. And then we had the 13 tick winner, in which there was no pullback. We didn't book it. It doesn't count in our net ticks, our net equity. It's a trade that's never going to show up on our balance sheet. And again, there's no other trading room in the world that does that. They're going to give you the entry, which we did. The entry was a nice 13 tick winner. Every other room would have taken this as a profitable trade. We don't, because it doesn't configure with the 1 tick pullback and doesn't get everyone in the room in the trade. Our net ticks were 40, net equity was 582.50. Auto Trader had 1 trade, 1 winner, and it made $300. And actually, the Auto Trader trade was this trade. It was the trade that I didn't get the pullback on. Now, the Auto Trader doesn't require the pullback. And that was, you see, it marked as an AT winner. And that was a 2-target AT winner for $300. So just an incredibly good trading day today. We just stayed focused and patient, waiting for our conservative setups. And they came, and we nailed them. So sign up for a free trial to our live trading room. Go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There you will see a link to our daily net equity in the trading room, our link to our daily net equity for the ES Auto Trader, for another link for the daily net equity for our Russell, Gold, and Crude Auto Trader. You'll see a link for our sign-up page for our free trial, also a link for the Contact Us page. You can email us directly at info@rightlinetrading.com or call us at 1-855-765-6681. There'll be a webinar this Thursday on candlestick patterns and their practical application to day trading. And it's really going to be a unique webinar on candlestick patterns, because I've seen a lot of candlestick pattern lectures, and a lot of them give you good information, but they just go into too much depth on very esoteric candlestick patterns. You know, dark cloud cover, shooting star. What you want to see is market structure, price action relating to candlestick patterns that has direct application to day trading. And that's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you some great patterns that recur over and over again. And it won't matter whether you trade time, tick, or range. All of them create nice, if you trade candlesticks. If you're interested, that's how you define market structure. Also, very soon we're going to do a lecture on our new NTD trade execution platform. We've really made multiple upgrades on it. It can be formatted for a good till order, good till cancel order. We have multiple ATMs that can be programmed into it. It's got a whole set of hotkeys. It's just really become a very powerful trade execution platform. You see, it's formatted for a 1-tick pullback, and in the trading room, it's really become the staple of use for us, because it really allows us to make extra money on every trade by getting that 1-tick pullback, and it not only gets everyone into the trades, but it allows everyone to get a nice premium on every trade. So that's it for today. Any questions, give us a call, send us an email. We racked up over $500 today on a Monday, and we're looking for a $2,000 week. We're looking to close out the month with a $6,000 to $7,000 net profit month, and that does not include all the no pullback trades. If we did that, we would be close to $9,000. So listen, everyone, have a great day. Hopefully I'll see you in the trading room. Take care.